If you're a solar installer or EPC company in the USA and your projects are getting delayed because of permit rejections, this video is for you. Many installers think permit rejection is just part of the process, but the truth is most solar permit rejections are completely avoidable. In this video, I'll explain why solar permits get rejected, what AHJs actually look for, and how you can get approvals faster without rework, stress, or lost money. Every rejected permit means lost time, delayed installations, frustrated customers, extra labor costs, lower profit margins. We've worked with hundreds of solar installers across the USA, and one thing is clear: permit issues are one of the biggest bottlenecks in solar projects. The good news? Once you understand the root causes, you can fix them permanently. The number one reason solar permits get rejected is incomplete documentation. AHJs expect a complete permit package, which usually includes accurate site plan, array layout, single line diagram, SLD, structural calculations, electrical calculations, equipment data sheets, code references. Many rejections happen because missing notes, incorrect legends, old data sheets, mismatched information between drawings. AHJs don't have time to figure it out. If something is unclear, they reject it. Solution: always submit a 100% complete cross-checked permit set. Here's something many installers underestimate. Every AHJ is different. What works in one city may fail in another. Common mistakes include using a generic permit template, ignoring local fire setbacks, missing utility-specific requirements, not following state or city amendments. AHJs expect designs tailored to their local codes, not copy-paste plans. Solution: work with designers who understand AHJ-specific rules, not just general NEC codes. SLDs are one of the most scrutinized parts of a solar permit. Rejections often happen due to incorrect conductor sizing, wrong breaker calculations, missing grounding details, incorrect inverter configurations, no rapid shutdown clarity. Even a small electrical error can trigger a rejection. Solution: ensure SLDs are NEC compliant, easy to read, clearly labeled, technically accurate. A clean SLD, faster approval. Structural problems are another big reason permits fail. Common issues: no structural calculations, incorrect roof type assumptions, missing attachment details, load calculations not matching array size. AHJs want proof that the roof can safely support the solar system. Solution: use proper engineering-backed structural calculations, not assumptions. Many permit delays happen after submission. Why? Slow response to AHJ comments, incorrect revisions, multiple back and forth cycles. Each revision adds days or weeks to your project timeline. Solution: have a team that understands AHJ comments quickly, responds accurately the first time, updates drawings without introducing new errors. Speed matters. We've seen cases where installers face 2 to 3 rejections for the same project. Not because the project was complex, but because designs were rushed, local requirements were ignored, no quality checks were done. Once the permit set was corrected properly, approval came within days, not weeks. This is why professional solar permit design isn't an expense, it's a profit protection tool. Here's a simple checklist. Use AHJ-specific permit designs, double-check all calculations, ensure SLD clarity, include all updated data sheets, respond to comments fast and accurately. Most importantly, don't treat permits as paperwork. Treat them as a critical project stage. If you're a solar installer or EPC company in the USA and you want faster permit approvals, fewer rejections, and smoother installations, professional solar permit and engineering support makes a real difference. At GWRE, we specialize in solar permit design and solar engineering services for the USA market, helping installers move projects faster and smarter. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe, and comment below. And if you need reliable permit support, we're here to help.